Connect the B6L starting Wi-Fi of the screen. Password and default B6L8 88888. Open the HD player. Click Setting. Screen Setting. Screen resolution of Model A 1376 *516 dots. Add 2 programs to add the video and photos separately. Add new video. Add new photos. Scan the QR code to download the app, LED Art. Connect the B6L, starting Wi-Fi. Password, in default. B6L8 88888. Back to the software. You can check the device information. Add a new screen. Open the software. You can check the device information. Add image materials. Connect the screen to PC via LAN cable. Open the software, HD player. You can check if the screen is connected here. Choose the right device type and set the screen resolution. Screen resolution of Model A 1376 *516 dots. Add 2 programs to add the video and photos separately. Add new video. Add new photo. Connect the screen to PC via HDMI cable. Default playback mode, auto switch, and asynchronous. Adapted to DJ booth's screen resolution display. Change playback mode to manual and synchronous. Synchronously display the entire computer screen. Change back to auto switch and asynchronous. Adapted to DJ booth screen resolution display.